Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. It is the afternoon right now. I have this air horn. I'm about to see how many people I could scare, I guess. I think one of my friends is here right now. Let me see where he's at. I tried to like creep up on you and like scare you over there. Okay guys, this is how loud it actually is. Oh my god. I have a really good hiding spot. James and John usually come and they'll be like right here. So as they're walking by here, I'll be on this other side and I'll honk the horn. Okay, so my friend James is probably gonna come in through, he's gonna walk through here and then I'm gonna blow the air horn at him like right up to his face when he walks by.
I knew you were there. I saw you.
Oh, you saw me?
Yeah, I saw you.
Really? What the heck? Okay, that prank didn't really work on James and John, but I'm gonna try to get somebody else right now. So I'm gonna look for them, and when I find them, I'm gonna blow an air horn. It's gonna scare the crap out of them, hopefully. Okay, so they're gonna hide around the whole school, and I'm gonna go look around for them. And when I find them, I'm basically just gonna air horn at their face. Anyone in here? Okay, I don't see anybody yet. Hey! 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 I see you! He's trying to escape. Hey, I found you! Okay, now we just have to find John. Okay, John won that round. We're doing round 2 now. Okay, going to find them. Wait, what?
I'm seeing it.
I saw you like, I went over there and I saw you and I was trying to find the perfect moment. Guess what? You won. Okay guys, there's something I need to talk about. I'd like to call out a few people. I'd like to call out Bolt Clan. Last video guys, we had a boxing fight and I called him out at the end of the fight. Basically, he's been talking bad about my channel behind my back. Kind of.
Yeah.
You guys want to play some of the videos?
Yeah. Sure.
Wow, you copied my video and made a twist. Satchel White, watch my sewer video. Okay, first of all, I made a video 1 year ago on the tunnels. We went to the tunnel a year ago. So if anything, he would be copying me. So apparently I copied this. That is my favorite part. This guy's actually a legend. I can't take on this guy. How can I fight this guy? Hey, come play in the playground with us.
Yeah, come on guys.
This is what teenagers do. They play in playgrounds and play tag and stuff. You're it. Get him, boys. Get him, boys. What is he gonna do? Ah! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god.
No, you're going on World Star.
Oh god. Oh god.
The angles are turning.
Hey, hey, hey. Oh my god. Oh, oh. Oh my god. Cone flip.
No cone.
Oh!
10 points.
Okay, I don't think this video is long enough yet. So I think tomorrow, I think I might do an air horn wake up prank on somebody. So here's that. I think he woke up, but he just ignored it. But that is the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I post Friday, Saturday, and Sunday every single week. And I will see you next video.